The U.S. Chamber of Digital Commerce backs Binance and is urging the SEC to drop the lawsuit. Why is XRP's growth rate so bad despite the pro-Ripple decision? And Ripple victory in the SEC lawsuit results in 4 tailwinds and 3 headwinds. So guys, we've got so much to talk about today. I'm so sorry I wasn't here for the past couple days. I wasn't feeling too well, but I am back now. Amr is here to give you all the best crypto and specifically XRP news. So let's get right into some tweets. Firstly, we have this tweet from XRP. Well, if a job gave you the option, would you accept your salary in XRP? Personally, I wouldn't. I agree with Parlay here. I got bills to pay, man. I got rent. It ain't cheap, man. It's not. And so, you know, in the future, if XRP became more, I should say, when XRP becomes a lot more, you know, accepted and a lot more common, then definitely, yes, I want to move away from typical finance right now, or typical fiat right now, like paper money. However, it's just not the case where we can completely detach ourselves from that. Some people said, yes, I'd love to see how that works. As long as they can direct deposit to my Uphold Inc. account. Interesting. Very interesting. Excuse me, sorry. This next tweet we have is from XRP Captain at Universe20. Hashtag Ripple vs hashtag SEC case is over. Just waiting for announcement. Get ready, hashtag XRP holders. Huge green candle will print anytime. Guys, if I woke up and I saw this, oh, I would lose my mind. Oh, I would lose my mind, for real. Unfortunately, not so easy, yeah. But I do think, you know, maybe one day we'll see this. Maybe, well, I mean, maybe not this, but like somewhere where a candle is hitting such a big difference. Next tweet we got is from Ito Farina. Shout out to Ito Farina, always coming with some fantastic tweets. Breaking news: Pro at Ripple's XRP attorney at attorney Jeremy 1 says Ripple vs SEC case is over. Jeremy Hogan had to say, for all intents and purposes, the Ripple vs SEC case is over. Yes, important hearings will be held in coming months, deciding a judgment of $770 million is of course important, but your time for hand wringing over this case is done, which is very interesting to take. So I think, guys, in my personal opinion, I ended up buying as soon as I heard the news. And as you see, like, it's not a huge thing, but I think one of the reasons why it's being suppressed, and I think one of the later tweets or articles we're going to look at is going to be talking about that a bit, is because it officially hasn't been announced, right? It's not technically over, right? So I think we're just waiting on that confirmation. XRP Crypto Wolf had to say, what do you think is suppressing the price of XRP? Well, that's my opinion, but let's see what some people had to say about it. I disagree with most saying SEC and lacking institutional regulation. It's so clearly just raw manipulation. Just track the buy and sell volumes over a rally like this one. Insider whale positions properly prior, then they sell in such a rhythm that it's not very traceable in candles. Interesting. So I want to see what some people had to say to his response. And constantly draining every rally's momentum like that. How does it ever end? Sadly, it doesn't. There's no stopping greed. What we can do as regular retail buyers is we don't fall for any market FOMO FUD. Most whales get influencer networks that push market sentiment. Best advice I can give is not to operate on emotion and peace, and I agree 100%. Very fantastic take right there. The expectation of it going up, it won't be held back forever. It's built on lies. No banks are really using it. Interesting. High frequency trading algorithm, big banking and those affiliated. Pretty safe answer though, since they run most of the world at the moment. Rich people, Bitcoin price action, starting to think it's meant for more. And until it is time, it won't do much. I think that last tweet right there, that last comment, I really feel with, because, like, you know, once we get that going, once it gets going, it's gonna get going. But until then, it's not gonna make a huge jump. That's just my personal belief. And guys, I just want to reiterate, nothing I say is financial advice. That's just me talking about my opinions, my actions, and what I plan to do, and trying to go over news and stuff like that, and just getting as much information out there to the XRP community. Next, let's look into some articles here. So XRP's growth pace is unexpectedly bad following the pro-Ripple decision. So let's get right into it. This is what we were talking about earlier today. XRP was expected to experience a notable price surge following the favorable verdict in the legal case involving Ripple's top executives. However, the crypto market can often defy expectations, and this time was no different. Despite a significant win for Brad Garlinghouse and Chris Larson against the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC), XRP's anticipated bullish run turned out to be more of a whimper. The chart showcases lackluster price performance for XRP on a daily basis. Prior to the decision, there was speculation on the market that was positive outcome would be the ignition XRP needed to once again reach its previous previous highs, if not exceed them. Investors and traders alike brace for a potential rally, which unfortunately never materialized. The price remained stagnant, hovering around its current support levels with no significant upward movement. Very interesting. Brad Garlinghouse, Ripple's CEO, had a passionate response to the court's decision, celebrating Ripple's win against the SEC. He highlighted the challenges they faced during his case. His statement: "Today was an even better day. Ripple 3, SEC 0. Displayed not just a tally of their victories, but their sentiment that Ripple had been unjustly targeted." Garlinghouse accused the SEC of not just neglecting its duty to protect consumers and businesses, but also of pursuing an aggressive personal vendetta against him and Larson. Very, very interesting take here, guys. Next, we got this article saying XRP price to cap, first winning week since September details. XRP heads for best weekly close since July. So let's get right into it. According to the CoinMarketCap data, XRP was up 0.1% at $1.517. XRP is currently up 6% in the week, its biggest gain since July 10th when it rose 59%. If gains continue this week, it will be XRP's first green week since September, when it had 2 green weeks in a row between September 18th and September 25th. However, during these 2 weeks, the gains were 1.95% and 4.40% respectively. It is indeed a winning week for XRP and Ripple, in particular after the SEC Thursday night dropped claims against 2 Ripple Labs executives, CEO Brad Garlinghouse and co-founder Chris Larson, in its lawsuit alleging the company violated U.S. securities law. XRP saw a rise to a high of $0.524 on October 9th in the wake of news, but it has since paired off the gains. XRP price action. Following a significant increase on October 9th, the price of XRP is caught between its moving averages of MA50 and MA200 at $0.504 and $0.527. A break above or below moving averages could indicate the next directional move. Very, very interesting. So I'm so happy to see this. I really hope we do get a green week, but we'll have to ultimately see how that turns out, whether or not that will happen or won't happen. Next article we got here is U.S. Chamber of Digital Commerce banks Binance, urges SEC to drop the lawsuit. Very, very, very interesting take here, guys. Oh, I know. Sorry. This is the article we're going to look at. So we got this next article right here. Ripple victory in SEC lawsuit. 4 tailwinds and 3 headwinds for XRP price. Ripple XRP is the 5th largest crypto by market cap, behind Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, and BNB. In mid-October 2023, Ripple had market capitalization of $26.6 billion. XRP price began to rally again in mid-October after 6 months of hardly moving, other than a July SPAC that lasted about a few weeks, and that's what we were talking about the last article. So let's get into some of these tailwinds and headwinds. Firstly, the first tailwind, SEC drops charges against Ripple executives. Ripple tokens jumped to 6% gains on the 7-day window Thursday after markets welcomed news of an SEC retreat on 2 key parts of its Ripple lawsuit. The Securities and Exchange Commission said in its court papers it is dropping all claims against 2 Ripple executives. They will spare both executives a jury trial. The drop charges leave the case down to negotiating over penalties to Ripple Labs, the SEC said in its filing. Very, very interesting. So the second headwind we got going on is ongoing SEC lawsuit depresses the XRP price. XRP price made market waves in July after U.S. judge ruled against the SEC that Ripple tokens are not securities, but that victory was short-lived. In October, the XRP price is back down to where it was 6 months ago. That could happen again after this month's victories for Ripple if the SEC keeps slow-walking its lawsuit and dragging on the uncertainty of Ripple's future. Before the SEC dropped charges against Larson and Garlinghouse, The Street recently reported that Ripple has been one of the crypto's worst performing assets in October. Oh, it's so sad. I don't want to see XRP in the state, but these things will help us get a good idea of the future and how to handle these kind of situations in the future, as regulations and different lawsuits and court cases are going to be coming up for other cryptocurrencies or maybe even XRP again in the future. Number 3, tailwind. Ripple investors hope SEC will settle soon. So there's a lot of people who are hoping that the case with the SEC, there's a lot of people hoping that the SEC's case will settle soon, and I'm kind of on this statement as well. I think the SEC, the whole case is going towards XRP's favor. So I think, like, hey, the tailwind that's coming on right now, and I think I'm part of it right now, honestly, is that once this case is done and settled, oh my god, it's gonna blow up. So I'm excited. We have to see how that turns out. 4. Headwind. Intense competition with Bitcoin and DeFi. Fighting for market share with the number of strategic competitors is an ongoing headwind for Ripple. In quarter 4 2023, the battle for crypto investors' capital is heating up. Based on the amount of funds raised from the blockchain startups in quarter 3, the capital market markedly favors DeFi projects over more centralized finance blockchains like Ripple. This DeFi versus CeFi narrative could be an ongoing headache for cryptocurrency investors hanging their hats on the XRP price. Meanwhile, Bitcoin's dominance or market share of 51% in the crypto industry is at a 31-month high. Oh man, sorry. Number 5, tailwind. Positive market signals for XRP price. While XRP price traded down 3% of the 6-month period ending just before this week's SEC retreat, trading on crypto exchanges had already begun to break upward. Before the latest victory in the SEC lawsuit, XRP had just recently gained 2.6% in the average crypto exchange prices over a 5-day window. That put Ripple's price a notch above even the most previous 30 days. Moreover, the accumulation of Ripple will addresses more portends a possible recovery in the near future. Number 6, headwind. Ripple Labs gluts Bitstamp with XRP. Despite the good news and strong technical signals for Ripple this week, a whale-sized chunk of XRP tokens recently said Bitstamp could overload the market with supplies. Ripple Labs sent over 30 million XRP to crypto exchange miners earlier this year. That could overstuff the market with XRP supply and cause a headwind for the Ripple price if the company intends to sell it. Very interesting. I hope they don't. And the 7th tailwind is possible Ripple IPO in the works. Ripple could be going public with an IPO and become a Wall Street traded company. That would bring renewed interest, fresh capital, and business alliances, and a ton of earned media attention. While there has been little in the way of official validation for them, rumors of a Ripple IPO are all over the crypto Twitter this week. This would bring in potentially enormous amounts of institutional and mainstream capital and greatly expand the Ripple's ecosystem overall balance sheet. Very, very fantastic news in today, guys. Well, that's all we had today, guys. I'm hoping that we'll be looking at some good news coming soon with this case being done, not officially, but being done. But we'll have to see. Regardless, go guys. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. It would mean the world to me. And till the next day, I hope you guys have a fantastic one and good luck trading. Done deal. XRP price explosion to $10 in the cards as SEC may completely lose out in the Ripple fight. Almost 500 million XRP shoveled into the last 24 hours. And why is Ripple XRP price up today? Guys, we've got so much to talk about today. I'm your host, Amr. Make sure you stick around for the whole entire video to get all the important information, but let's not waste any more time and jump right into the XRP news for today. Right here, we got this first tweet coming in from Alex Cobb at Alex and Cobb underscore. Man, that would be a bummer if a certain someone fired up a live stream about right now. Super had to say, is that a threat? Alex Cobb said yes. Ground for XRP had to say, bro, I'll send you 500 RPY if you just go to sleep. Do not do it. Let's do it. Stream Cobb. Go live, Cobb. I'd love to see it. I'd love to see it. Next, we got this tweet from XRP Crypto Wolf at XRP Crypto Wolf. XRP goes up a few cents and everybody starts screaming moon. Absolutely. I agree with him, honestly. I think, there's definitely been a huge, exaggeration of what's going on. Definitely it's good news and it's good looks for XRP. However, I don't think it's anything that's like crazy. But I do think it's a nice sign. It's nice to see as well. Regardless, guys, make sure you're being smart and being decisive, be patient, and be, make well-informed decisions before you invest your money anywhere. Regardless, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not offering any financial advice. This is just my opinion and what I believe, and I'm just talking. Yeah. But yeah, Chuck Garrett had to say, we've seen it all before. Move along, nothing to see here. Mauricio Adrian had to say, because the people don't know, then Bitcoin is pumping. Interesting. Very, very interesting takes here. Next, we got this tweet, and I wanted to highlight this tweet for a specific reason. Firstly, I'll get into this article. Breaking, hashtag Ripple versus hashtag SEC. Institutional sales of XRP are not securities. Oh my God, that is insane. No, it's not. Look, this document doesn't even mention anything about this. Document is just talking about what's it called? Dropping the cases on Garlinghouse and Larson. So yeah, they just took like an official document and put their own what's it called caption over here, which is absolutely insane to me. That's insane, bro. And like you can see here, I was thinking of discontinuing following you. That's not what it says, bro. Where I don't know, it's because of all the crypto spiking. Oh, that's not a good word. But yeah, Guys, be careful with what you see on Twitter, what you see. Things will look really real, but you have to make sure you are doing your due diligence to make sure that you're getting correct information. Otherwise, you will just be used over and over again by people to manipulate, different currencies. And that's the truth about it, guys. Be careful, be safe. Next, we got this tweet coming in from XRPP at XRP underscore productions. Most of you have never been through a bull market run. Don't panic. Just stay close to XRPP and everything will be okay. Miles had to say, "Will you hold my hand?" And when I stuff up, say say there. Twice in fact, I'm long term man. Glad I accumulated. Haha, XRPP looks out for us. This will be my second bull run. Let's go. This will also be my second bull run as well. But I love the way he worded this. It's like he's our dad or something like that. Shout out to XRP Productions. All right, let's get into some articles here. So this first one's coming from zycrypto.com. XRP price explosion to $10 in the cards as SEC may completely lose out in the Ripple fight. So let's get right into this. Pro XRP, pro Ripple lawyer Jeremy Hogan has made a bold declaration suggesting that our Ripple versus SEC case is effectively concluded. If you guys haven't read the tweet that he posted was saying, for all intents and purposes, the Ripple versus SEC case is over, which is absolutely interesting. He said, he continued to say that the SEC dismissed the rest of the case, so there'll be no trial next year. The facts have been set. Nothing new or surprising will come. Very, very interesting. And he emphasized that Ripple needs to only worry about implementing final judgment. Furthermore, Hogan highlighted the potential scenarios following the final judgment. According to him, the case could either settle before this judgment is entered or proceed with appeals. Notably, the SEC has indicated its intention to appeal, signaling the possibility of a protracted legal battle, which I really hope not. Hogan, however, placed the chances of winning that appeal at 14.2%. At the end of the day, I think XRP is going to come out of it stronger than it went in. Regardless, though, I hope it comes sooner than before. We're just going to have to hold on to our seats and see how this plays out. Hogan's assertions coincided with those of John Deaton, another prominent pro-Ripple lawyer who countered the notion of an immediate SEC appeal. Notably, both lawyers, however, seem to agree about the importance of the upcoming hearings, which will decide on a judgment of potentially $770 million. It is worth noting that the SEC is aggressively pursuing the entire $770 million in the Ripple case. However, Ripple's aims to exempt certain on-demand liquidity ODL transactions from penalties and include legitimate business expenses like salaries, advertising, travel, and insurance in the fine calculation. That said, Hogan's statement come on the heels of a significant development where the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission voluntarily dropped charges against Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse and Executive Chairman Chris Larsen, igniting speculation about the lawsuit's future. It is worth noting that the SEC has faced several setbacks in its extensive pursuit of crypto firms its claims are violating securities laws. The recent denial of an attempt to appeal the Ripple case, while other issues proceeded through the trial processes, showcases the challenges faced by the regulatory body in this complex legal landscape. The absence of comprehensive crypto regulatory laws from the Congress places even greater importance of these court battles, which may ultimately define how the U.S. government approaches digital assets. Wow, very good take here, guys. I love these kind of articles. I love reading this. Absolutely fantastic. Hopefully we're gonna see a speedy run through with the rest of this trial for XRP. Shout out to what's it called, to Garlinghouse and Larson for getting their charges dropped, which is absolutely fantastic. Next, we got this article from U.Dot today. Almost 500 million XRP shoveled in the last 24 hours. Ripple giant involved. Two massive XRP lumps have been shifted within the last day, with the trace of Ripple giant spotted in them. Whale Alert, the blockchain sleuth that had traced down large transfers of crypto, has come up with some curious data. Over the past 24 hours, anonymous whales have shifted nearly 500 million XRP tokens affiliated with Ripple Labs. The larger of two transactions carried more than 400 million XRP. So, here's a tweet talking about it from Whale Alert. Very interesting. 440 million XRP on the move. Here's Ripple's role here. The above data source reported that two XRP transfers followed each other. First, a total of 412 million XRP was sent from one anonymous wallet to another. Then 26 million XRP were moved by an unknown blockchain wallet to the Bitstamp crypto trading venue. The two XRP chunks were valuated at $213 million and $13 million correspondingly at the time when those transactions were made. BitHump XRP centered analyst platform shared that the second transfer was made by Ripple Labs blockchain, Decacorn, based in San Francisco, as it moved its regular XRP lump to Bitstamp. Very interesting. Over the past couple couple months, Ripple has been shoveling lumps of XRP worth 26 million to 30 million to Bitstamp and a little less often to Bitso, a Mexican-based crypto unicorn. This persistence in sending tens of million XRP to these two exchanges is likely more than simply selling crypto. Both of these crypto trading platforms have been for several years cooperating with Ripple on its ODL project, on-demand liquidity, recently rebranded as Ripple Payments. Very, very cool. So yeah, we've been following these trades that are going around. I hope this will ultimately allow Ripple to take the center stage as it should, but we will see. Next, we got this article coming in from Crypto Potato, everything hot in crypto. Why is the Ripple XRP price get up today? So we'll get back to the TLDR in a second. So the overall market rally, Ripple's native token XRP has experienced another price increase in the past 24 hours, according to CoinGecko. The valuation spiked to a 2-week high of almost $0.53, giving investors fresh hopes that a real bull run is just around the corner. So here we can see the price chart for XRP and how it's been increasing over the past 24 hours. One possible reason behind the surge could be the overall bullish sentiment and revival of entire cryptocurrency market. The global market cap has surpassed $1.2 trillion, whereas leading digital assets like Bitcoin, Ether, Binance Coin, Solana, Polygon, and many more are in the green. Ripple's march towards a decisive victory. Another factor that may play a role in XRP's good performance lately could be Ripple's third court win against the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. Several days ago, the company CEO Brad Garlinghouse and executive chairman Chris Larson were cleared of all charges brought by the regulator. And this is kind of what we're talking about earlier today in these tweets and some of these articles. So another factor that may play a role in XRP's good performance lately could be Ripple's third court win against the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. Several days ago, the company CEO Brad Garlinghouse and executive chairman Chris Larson were cleared of all charges brought by the regulator. As such, it seems like Ripple has a major upper hand in the battle after previously a U.S. federal judge ruled that the firm's programmatic XRP sales from years ago did not constitute an offer of investment contracts and later dismissed the SEC's wish to appeal the decision. Many analysts and experts have predicted that the asset's price may explode in the event of a final victory for the blockchain enterprise. A trial is scheduled for April next year and should determine the outcome of the lengthy battle. So guys, fingers crossed, I'm holding out until April, and when XRP comes clear, I'm expecting a huge boom. Now, that's just my personal opinion. I'm not trying to offer any financial advice here, guys. But yeah, that is all we have for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys taking your time out of your day to sit down and watch and get some of the best crypto news, specifically XRP news, that you can on YouTube. Regardless, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And let me know in the comments what you think about what's going on with the appeal, with SEC and Ripple, with Ripple's price jump. What are your actions? What do you plan to do, guys? Let me know in the comment section below. But until the next video, I hope you guys have a fantastic day and good luck trading. Yeah. speculation about the SEC appeal of programmatic sales ruling hit XRP. XRP on a massive rise after BitTrue XRP Moon hint, and XRP proponent John Dean calls SEC an absolute disgrace for prosecuting XRP and Libri. Guys, we got so much news to get into today. Make sure you stick around for the whole entire video. That's my beloved cat. He just wanted to say hi. I'm your host, Amr. Let's not waste any more time and just get right into this. So, Jack the Rippler had to say, breaking, Japan-based financial giant SBI Holdings announces plan to launch a new NFT project on the popular blockchain XRP ledger. Very, very interesting. I just want to highlight this tweet that's saying that, different countries, we haven't seen a whole crazy amount of crypto. I mean, there's been a decent amount of involvement, but not as much as like China or Singapore or in Vietnam. But we're seeing a lot more other countries looking into cryptocurrencies as well, like institutions and financial giants within them looking into this. So it's very interesting to see that they're looking to do this. I'd love to see more and more different countries and more different institutions looking into cryptocurrencies. Hopefully this will bring it into the spotlight that it needs to be. Next, in terms of XRP news, we got this tweet coming in from XRP Whale. Will XRP hit $1 before 2024? All In had to say yes. Political had to say no, not a chance. The Deluxe had to say it's possible. Let's keep our eyes on the charts and stay optimistic. It's kind of, I love this, like, not duality, triality of this. It's cool. I mean, you got the Moon Boy here, you got the non-believer here, and you got the logistic person. And me personally, I think I line more with Deluxe. I'd love to have it hit $1 before 2024. It's possible, right? I'd love to have it. Then there's also the fact that, like, it's also very, that'd be a pretty steep thing to do. And Deluxe takes a great take on this, and I agree with them. It's possible. Let's keep our eyes on the charts and stay optimistic. I think that's like the best way to kind of occur a lot of these allegations, not even allegations, but a lot of these predictions and stuff like that. Like if you see like, Bitcoin projected to hit 40,000 before XYZ, right? Or XRP looking to hit $1 like in here before 2024. It's possible, but you just got to keep your eyes on the charts and stay optimistic, right? It's important to know what people are saying, though. I mean, this is just an open-ended question. It's not a prediction or anything like that, but I wanted to highlight again. And also, I just want to make a quick note, guys. I'm not offering any financial advice here. I'm just talking about my own personal opinion. I'm trying to highlight what the community and what different articles and news outlets are talking about in terms of XRP. I'm just trying to get all that information out to you in a digestible and efficient manner. Okay, next we got, that's not what I want to do. Next we got this tweet coming in from at real XRP Whale. If I gave you 10,000 XRP or 100,000 XRP, what would you do with it? So before I read some of these replies, I want you guys to tell me, before you read these replies, let me know in the comment section below what you guys would do if you just got 100,000 XRP. Me personally, like, as much as I'd love to say I'll hold and I'll hold, I think, well, firstly, there's, I got like student loans that I got to pay off. So I'm going to pay that off first, just trying to get that debt off my head, pay that right off. Just so, interest and stuff like that. I feel like it'd be the best decision to allocate my funds to do that. But, yeah, that's what I do. And then I think as much as I can hold, I will hold, right? So just do what I can do to, one, pay off any outstanding loans or debts that I have, and then also from there I'll try to save and invest as much as I can, whether it's all in XRP. I'd like to, I personally love to like not have all my eggs in the basket, so I like to kind of spread my assets between different altcoins, and as prices changes, I like to kind of trade my coins over to adjust for that. So next we got this tweet coming in from Coin Insight UK, at Crypto Insight UK. So at Ripple's new trailer shows the UK, Asia, LATAM, and potentially Europe, and even the USA. Very interesting. So let's get into this.
Finance has always been slow to evolve, but real progress is happening all around you. Like money that moves as fast as
global markets that never close,
and efficiency that moves finance at the speed of business today.
So forward-thinking enterprises,
Financial institutions and governments can move forward faster.
It's happening now,
and it's ready for those
who are ready
to make change.
So, are you on the right side of progress?
Real Ripple. Yeah, very cool trailer. I love to see that. Yeah, we'll just have to see if it really does take this lead. XRP_Bandit has to say, I have all kinds of change. I'm willing to sell them for the right price. Bobby A said, bro, beautiful. A green traffic light on the last country. Oh, yeah. Okay. Very, very interesting. See how it's green and he's going towards it? I wonder if that's some sort of metaphor that they're playing here. Some cinematic mastery that's going on. Oh, this is generated by AI. I didn't even know that. Well, it's a cool script. It's a cool video. I like it. But yeah, anyways, let's get into some articles here. So Ripple proponent John Dean calls SEC an absolute disgrace for prosecuting XRP and Liberty. So let's get into it. So Ripple joined hands with the global Web3 financial platform Uphold. According to an announcement on Tuesday, the new partnership will provide the payment processor with enhanced crypto liquidity capabilities, which are crucial in improving cross-border payments infrastructure. Ripple's partnership with banks across the globe has been made in an effort to establish itself as the largest instantaneous cross-border payment processor. Worldwide, governments adopting crypto regulations, as well as Ripple partnering with such firms, will help the company achieve its goals. The impact of the same can be witnessed on XRP price as well. Additionally, the support that Ripple has been receiving from the community as always continues to be at its best. Proponents like attorney John Dean have time and again highlighted at Securities and Exchange Commission SEC ruthlessness. Dean took to X, formerly Twitter, calling the regulator out for prosecuting good actors in the crypto industry such as Liberty and Ripple, while not battling an eye on alleged fraudsters such as FTX, Sam Bankman-Fried, and others that were meeting with the SEC, CFTC, and congressional members. Very, very interesting take here, guys. And yeah, I really agree with John Dean here. Yeah, like I don't know why they're really coming for XRP in the way that they are, and Bitcoin as well, and BlackRock as well for trying to get the spot Bitcoin ETF, Bitcoin spot ETF. Sorry. But yeah, so very interesting. If they go into the technical analysis, I might revisit this back later in the video. Regardless, let's get into the next article. This is coming from the cryptobasic.com. XRP on massive rise after BitTrue XRP moon hint. So let's get into it. So BitTrue had to say, are we ready to send XRP to the moon? So unlike other posts on BitTrue's X account, the XRP moon tweet garnered significant attention from XRP enthusiasts. Many responded in an affirmative manner that they have longed for XRP's moon. So interestingly, users of BitTrue's trading platform have given more credence to BitTrue's XRP moon hint. The overwhelming majority of the users trading XRP derivative contracts on BitTrue bet that XRP's price was ready for the moon. Specifically, the exchange homepage suggested that BitTrue users hold over $703 million in XRP USDT future contracts. Of the numbers, more than 90% of traders open a long position for XRP and BitTrue. This implies that traders are extremely optimistic about the price trajectory of XRP in the coming weeks. Besides, the diagram below suggests that traders bullish about XRP and BitTrue have maintained a consistent outlook for the past 30 days. Very, very interesting here. So however, future traders on other platforms are not as bullish about XRP as BitTrue users. Data from CoinGlass, the preeminent tracker of the derivative market, indicated that traders are slightly more bearish about XRP based on an open position on 8 centralized exchanges that includes Binance, OKX, BitJet, BingX, Bybit, CoinX, Kraken, and Huobi. Specifically, the ratio of long-short positions to the exchange is 48.9% against 51.09%. In dollar values, traders in the 8 exchanges opened $1.30 or 1.30 billion in long positions, while shorters placed 1.36 billion. Notably, these figures imply there is an almost tie between those hopeful and those pessimistic about XRP's performance, though the bears are leading. So very, very interesting. So XRP exchanges hands at $0.5505 as crypto market participants traded over 2 billion XRP in the last 24 hours. XRP's market valuation is about breaking the $30 billion market as its 1 week performance remains stronger by over 12%. Very, very, very interesting. Very cool. I'd love to know what you guys think about this. It was very interesting to see that more people using BitTrue are more bullish on XRP, but it does seem like, I mean, based off what I'm seeing, it seems like XRP in general, in terms of the community, is looking more bullish, but based off, you know, what I'm seeing in the community. But it says that it's not necessarily true, as a lot of other trading platforms are looking like it's bearish. We'll have to see. I also want to take a look into those articles and look a little bit more into those facts. Next, we got this article coming in from fxempire.com. XRP speculation about an SEC appeal of programmatic sales ruling hit XRP. So let's get into it. So Amicus Curiae attorney and crypto law U.S. founder Johnny Dean shared his views on Remedial Talk, saying, "I do not believe there has been a single serious conversation regarding settlement between Ripple, Brad Garlinghouse, Chris Larson, and the SEC." He elaborated, saying, "I believe Ripple will be successful in cutting 770 million figure down drastically. This isn't a fraud case. The goal is to reach an appropriate fine against Ripple for engaging in transaction that qualified as a sale of unregistered securities but sold in the context of a new asset that other federal agencies declared virtual currency." So guys, that's the key thing here. I think it hasn't been made as clear as it should. I think a lot of people in the XRP community do understand and note this, but you know, when I talk to some of my friends outside of the crypto community, crypto community, when I talk to them about it, they kind of seem a little hesitant. They hear these court cases with the SEC, and then anytime they hear the SEC versus Ripple versus Bitcoin versus Coinbase, whatever it may be, right, they always get very cautious about it, right? And understandably, if you don't really know what's going on, you're hearing these court cases coming left and right for these different cryptocurrency companies, and you know, you're probably going to be a little bit hesitant with these things. But at the end of the day, we're going to have to see how this plays out, and hopefully when these cases are done and, you know, set to rest, we'll see a lot more people entering into the cryptocurrency community. So, providing the history of Ripple and its brushes with the US regulators, Deaton discussed the Ripple settlement with FinCEN and DOJ in 2015. FinCEN and the DOJ labeled XRP a convertible virtual currency, placing Ripple under the purview of banking, not security laws. Notably, the Fed chair, the SEC chair, Secretary of Treasury reportedly classified Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and XRP as virtual currencies in 2019. The infamous Bill Hinman speech in 2018 sent mixed signals, with Hinman insinuating that XRP was a security. Deaton highlighted that SEC enforcement lawyers could purchase and trade XRP until 2019. Considering the Hinman speech-related documents, and the classification of XRP until 2019, Deaton concluded, "I don't think Judge Torres will be out to hurt Ripple with these facts." So, very, very fantastic. So November 9th is going to be a big day because by November 9th in 2023, this is what Judge Annalisa Torres has to say. By November 9th, 2023, the parties shall jointly propose a briefing schedule with regards to remedies, or if the parties cannot agree, shall jointly request that the court set a briefing schedule. Shout out to Judge Annalisa Torres for this, by the way. I mean, as you know, John Dean was kind of saying, there hasn't been a single serious conversation regarding the settlement between Ripple and the SEC. So we're gonna have to see. Shout out to Judge Torres for making this happen. Hopefully this does result in some sort of more clarity and some more conversations that will bring, you know, foreseeable future in terms of this court ruling. We'll have to see though. Here's the price chart for XRP. I believe this is the yearly chart. Yeah, this is the yearly chart. So we'll have to wait and see. Actually, it did drop quite significantly from you know, certain events that occurred earlier last year, but you know, it looks like it's regaining its traction and going back up regardless. So guys, that's all we have for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed and got some important information. If there's anything you think I missed out in terms of XRP news, let me know in the comment section below and I'll gladly cover them. But until the next video, I hope you guys stay safe, good luck trading, and hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Have a good one, and good luck trading. Bye.
Hello, everyone. I hope you're all having a fantastic day. Unfortunately, our regular host is unable to join us today, but don't worry, because I am here to step in and ensure that we have an amazing time together. So without further ado, let's dive straight into our very first tweet of the day. Zach Rector's recent tweet about XRP exiting between $3.10 sparked a lively debate in the crypto community. On the surface, his statement seems straightforward. He believes most XRP holders will sell if the price hits that target range. However, there's more nuance to unpack here. First, let's provide some context. XRP, the native token of the Ripple network, has been stuck below $1 for most of 2022. Many holders have been patiently waiting for a recovery rally. Rector's tweet implies if XRP reaches even $3, many will consider that a success and take profits. Is he right? Well, maybe. XRP bouncing from under 40 cents to over $3 would be a massive 7x rise. For long-suffering holders, that may be enough to call it a win and sell. However, others argue $3 is still low compared to XRP's all-time high near $4 in 2017. Why sell at the first sign of recovery when bigger gains could be ahead? Rector capped his predicted sell-off range at $10. But again, there's debate whether that's truly an exit point. For example, some say XRP could challenge $15 or higher if bullish crypto market sentiment returns. Others argue anything over $5 is unrealistic hopium. Interpreting Rector's tweet depends on your bullishness about XRP's potential. Stepping back, this tweet highlights the psychology around holding through market cycles. Selling too early could mean leaving gains on the table, but selling too late could mean missing the peak. Deciding when to take profit is always challenging, especially in volatile crypto markets. Rector's tweet prompted many reflections on setting realistic targets and maintaining composure during market swings. In summary, while Rector's tweet makes a bold price prediction, the takeaway is more nuanced. His statement reveals how diverse crypto investors think about balancing risk management and profit-taking. Understanding these varied mindsets helps inform our own investment strategies and expectations. The debate over XRP's potential highs and lows will certainly continue. This tongue-in-cheek tweet from XRP Productions pokes fun at the tribalism that can emerge in crypto communities. He jokingly claims not to be an XRP maximalist, while simultaneously arguing the XRP ledger is superior to all other blockchains. The humor lies in how over-the-top the statement is. On the surface, he says he's not a maximalist, which traditionally refers to someone who believes their cryptocurrency of choice is the one true option. However, he follows up by essentially saying the XRP ledger makes every other blockchain irrelevant. This total dismissal of all other networks in favor of XRP is an exaggerated example of maximalist thinking. By sarcastically claiming not to be a maximalist, and then expressing an extremely maximalist viewpoint, XRP Productions is satirizing the tendency for some crypto supporters to become tribalistic cheerleaders. The tweet pokes fun at how maximalists will adamantly promote their favorite asset while insisting they are being objective. The over-the-top wording implies even his preference for XRP is an understatement of his true maximalist feelings. The tweet reminds us to be wary of absolutist thinking in the complex, multifaceted crypto industry. Different blockchains can serve different purposes. While healthy debate over technology is expected, maximalism that outright rejects competing innovations can be counterproductive. This tweet playfully cautions against closing ourselves off in tribal bubbles and ignoring broader perspectives. In the fast-moving crypto sector, a diversity of blockchain projects introduces valuable new ideas. Even if we have personal favorites, it's important to acknowledge how different technologies can push the industry forward in their own ways. With lighthearted exaggeration, this tweet prompts reflection on avoiding rigid maximalism and keeping an open mind. Tweet from Lord XRP adds further intrigue. Together, they offer an interesting case for XRP's real-world use and speculation value. Looking at utility first, the text argues XRP could facilitate a huge volume of global payments via the SWIFT system it aims to improve upon. Handling even a fraction of SWIFT's quadrillions in transaction volume would be massive for XRP. This top-down view sees enormous upside if XRP can capture a piece of the vast traditional finance payments market. However, the text notes utility alone may not drive price. Speculation has outsized impact in crypto, as Lord XRP's tweet suggests. The image of a bank stamp hints at potential financial system adoption, but it ambiguously tells us to let that sink in, leaving room for interpretation. This likely refers to speculation about major banks one day using XRP, though nothing is guaranteed yet. In summary, the text and tweet present an intriguing dichotomy. The text argues XRP could be the most useful cryptocurrency, but that speculation, not utility, drives price. The tweet meanwhile stokes speculative thinking about XRP's adoption without offering details. Together, they capture the essence of XRP's appeal. Its hardcore supporters point to potential utility even as speculative fervor outpaces real-world use. As outsiders, we should view claims of boundless utility with skepticism, but also remain open-minded about emerging use cases. Regardless, speculation will likely continue to dominate as it does across most of crypto. In the end, XRP's hypothetical utility and rumors of adoption provide fodder for speculation. But only sustained actual use can lead to lasting value. The SEC's decision to drop its lawsuit against Ripple executives Garlinghouse and Larson was a major victory for XRP. According to the article, the news sparked XRP's biggest single-day price gain in 3 months, surging over 7% to around 51 cents. This rally reflects optimism that Ripple can now resume business more normally without the legal uncertainty hanging over it. The SEC had alleged Ripple conducted an unregistered securities sale by distributing over $1 billion worth of XRP. This cast doubt on XRP's status and dampened its price performance. However, a July court ruling was a partial win for Ripple, determining that XRP sales on exchanges to individual investors did not constitute an illegal securities offering. The SEC looked to appeal but was denied, leading it to now drop the charges against the Ripple executives. For XRP holders, this removes a major regulatory risk factor. Though the token remains controversial in the crypto community, its loyal supporters are celebrating the positive legal development. Some analysts think XRP could begin closing the gap with other major cryptocurrencies after lagging behind in 2021's bull market. Looking ahead, Ripple will likely continue focusing on international payment settlements as a key use case for XRP. Some even speculate that renewed legal clarity could make it more likely for major financial institutions to adopt XRP-based payment infrastructure. In summary, the collapsed SEC lawsuit is being taken as a major positive by the XRP community. With its legal status now clearer, XRP seems primed for stronger price performance going forward. However, as always, investors should still weigh the risks and do their due diligence before buying into any cryptocurrency. Let's jump into the next article. A surge in XRP tokens being moved to exchanges has sparked speculation, shortly after the cryptocurrency saw a significant price rally. According to crypto tracker Whale Alert, 2 major transfers of 32 million XRP each were made to the Bitstamp and Bitso exchanges. This large on-chain activity comes on the heels of an 8.7% price jump for XRP, its first notable gain after 10 days of declines. Some believe the large exchange transfers signal investors taking profits after the rally. However, analysis by XRP-focused data site BitHump indicates the sender of both transactions was a Ripple-related wallet. In the past, Ripple has routinely sent similar-sized XRP batches to crypto exchanges on a regular basis. Rather than sellers cashing out, this on-chain behavior points to continued use of XRP for cross-border transactions by RippleNet customers. The price boost seems driven by other factors. Sentiment data shows smaller XRP whales holding between 10,000 to 10 million tokens have been accumulating recently and now control close to 30% of supply. Speculation is also building after Ripple executives were cleared of SEC charges relating to XRP sales. With the SEC lawsuit risk now reduced, the narrative around XRP is improving. Whale accumulation and legal clarity appear to be driving the rally, rather than the large exchange inflows. Still, XRP remains controversial to some crypto advocates, so experts advise thorough research before investing. In summary, the on-chain data highlights intensifying XRP usage and demand. For XRP supporters, the price uptick and legal win are welcome developments. However, as with any crypto, investors should weigh the potential upsides and downsides before jumping in. Steady real-world adoption ultimately remains key for any lasting value growth. XRP staged an impressive rally on October 19th, posting its largest single-day percentage gain in over 3 months. According to CoinDesk data, XRP rose 6.5% to 52 cents, reaching as high as 53 cents before settling around 51 cents. This price surge was sparked by news that the SEC dropped its long-running lawsuit against Ripple executives Brad Garlinghouse and Chris Larson. The SEC had alleged Ripple violated securities laws in its sale and distribution of XRP tokens. This lawsuit cast a cloud over XRP for years. With the charges against Ripple's leaders now dropped, a major regulatory risk has been removed. XRP holders are celebrating this positive development, fueling the rally. Analysis shows spot exchanges drove the gains rather than leveraged traders. This is a bullish sign, indicating organic buying demand. Additionally, XRP broke out of a 2-month trading range between 45 cents to 49 cents. Range breakouts often precede major price moves as volatility returns. XRP still faces resistance around the 53 cents level in order to extend its uptrend. But with its legal overhang clearing, sentiment is improving among formerly disillusioned XRP investors. Looking ahead, reduced regulatory uncertainty could reinvigorate XRP's real-world adoption after years in limbo. However, experts advise weighing the risks before investing in any cryptocurrency. While XRP devotees cheer the legal win, cautious analysis remains vital in crypto's volatile markets. In summary, the collapsed SEC case is a milestone for XRP. The positive news cycle has reignited trader interest. But sustainability likely hinges on accelerating utility and commercial usage now that Ripple has greater flexibility to operate. As with any crypto investment, thorough due diligence is still essential.
XRP price could blast off in 18 days. XRP defies October norms with surprising surge. Here's what's expected in November. And BitTrue unveils thrilling news for the XRP community. Guys, we've got so much to talk about today. Make sure you stick around for the whole entire video to get all the important information. I'm your host, Amr, and let's get right into the XRP news for today. So first, we got this tweet coming in from XRP Whale. Breaking news, more rumors circulating that Ripple could burn the entire escrow of 50 billion XRP. This could trigger a huge price surge. Very, very interesting take. Shout out to @RealXRP Whale. JP Morais had to say escrows out of circulation already won't do poop to the price. XRP Whale says Ripple unlocks puts into circulation 1 billion new XRP every month on the 1st. How do you feel to not know this? Very good thing. Brett says Paco lies. Underestimate said engagement must be down, so let's throw some BS. Texas Bitcoiner says we can hope, but I'm going to stick with it being fake news. Very, very interesting. I have heard this rumor before. Source absolutely don't believe. Never happens, but when price $1, $2, $100, nah. $14, $489 realistic DeFi. They won't bank sneak liquidity for it. We'll see, guys. We'll see whether or not this is fake news or rumors. I have heard this rumor before, but let me know in the comments what you guys think. I'd love to know. Next, we got this tweet coming in from Crypto Geek. Breaking: Congress provides the green light to #Ripple beginning XRP payment services to USA. So let's get into this and read what it has to say. So, the Securities and Exchange Commission, the SEC, brings this action against defendants Ripple Labs, Inc., Ripple and Tunit's senior leaders Bradley Garlinghouse and Christian A. Larson, alleging the defendants engage in the unlawful offer and sale of securities in violation of Section 5 of the Securities Act of 1993. Wait, this article has nothing to do with what he said. What? This is just... yeah, this is another engagement post, guys. I'm seeing this happen a lot. A lot of these big crypto articles, especially on XRP Twitter accounts, are kind of just using this document and putting like a new thing in here. Guys, make sure you're being very safe and make sure you're checking all your sources credibly, because this is absolutely awful. YBP had to say, really? Do you feel alright? This is flat out lie, guys. Yeah, this is just wrong, and I wanted to highlight this for that reason, guys. Crypto Geek News, what are you doing, man? This got to be like AI generated. The fact that it's been up for what, a couple of hours now, almost 4 hours, almost 3 hours. Still haven't taken this down is very strange. I guess they just really need that engagement. That's really messed up of them to do. Hopefully we're gonna see more people being, people actively saying, hey, like, yo, this is really messed up. This is old lie. Where's the link? Nothing. Downvote from me. I do not like these kind of tweets. Alex Cobb @AlexCobb_. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission has demanded a $707 million settlement from Ripple. $770 million for what? XRP ruled by judge not secure and zero allegations of fraud and charges dropped against Brad and Chris. You are so delusional, Gary Gensler. I love this tweet from Immortal X Racing. Gary Gensler looks a little different here. Yeah, I think it's really unfair that they're having to pay $770 million for literally like what? Like the fraud and charges are dropped against Brad and Chris, and it's not a security and there's zero allegations. So it's like, what are you even going about? It really is so messed up. I don't know why. Hopefully, regardless, I just hope this case comes to a close so that Brad or Garlinghouse and Larson can be focused on their whole efforts towards XRP and developing XRP and the community and its token as well. Really sucks that they're having to have to go through this, and I hope it doesn't have to come to this. But yeah, next let's get into some articles here. BitTrue unveils thrilling news for the XRP community. So let's get into it. So Singapore-based crypto exchange BitTrue has unveiled what might seem like exciting news for the XRP community. In a tweet, BitTrue announced its support for the upcoming Zahua network, a smart contract sidechain within the XRPL ecosystem. BitTrue announces an upcoming listing of XAH, the native token of the new Zahua platform, in line with its support for the upcoming chain. It's also mentioned an upcoming mint event. So here's the article, or the tweet coming in from BitTrue official. Attention to all XRP fans, coming to Zahua mint event and token listing on BitTrue. Zahua network is innovative. You messed up, guys. Grammar is important. Sorry. innovative smart contract sidechain with the XRPL ecosystem. Stay tuned for more updates and details. Don't miss out. BitTrue's dedication to the XRP ledger ecosystem is reflected in its continuous support for all the newly introduced coins, features, and platforms. BitTrue announced their support for the Evers airdrop, whose snapshot occurred on September 1st. Evers is the native token of Evernote platform, which will be built on the Zahao ledger. In late August, XRPL Labs participated in the joint launch of Zahao white paper alongside Evernote, Alloy Network, and others. In an October 21st tweet, Evernote provided an update that Zahao Network launch was not far away, with the milestones of Hook's version 3 audit reached. So guys, fingers crossed, hopefully this allows more people to get access to XRP, and hopefully Zahao coin becomes something that's, you know, going to be used nicely. We'll have to see though how this plays out. Shout out to BitTrue for this, and shout out to Zahao as well. Let's get into the next article here. XRP defies October norms with surprising surge. Here's what to expect in November. As October comes to a close, XRP's surprising performance is sparking curiosity about what November has in store for popular cryptocurrency. Let's get into it. So, surging ahead with an impressive gain of 6.97%, XRP has defied its typical October history, which usually sees declines averaging around negative 4.36% and a median of negative 6.62%. Interestingly, this year's October marked the third most profitable month for XRP since its inception in 2013. Looking ahead to November, data from CryptoRank portal reveals that XRP has shown a promising trend in recent years. Over the past decade, the average return on investments for XRP in November stands at an impressive 77.3%. However, it's essential to note that the median statistic, which is more reliable measure, points to a less optimistic figure of negative 10.2%. The significant variance between the average and median returns is mainly attributed to a few extraordinary spikes in XRP price in 2013, 2014, and 2020. And despite the overall positive look, the history of XRP in November has been mixed. Out of the last 10 years, XRP concluded the month in the green only in 2013, 2014, 2017, and 2020, leaving it with a score of 4-6 in favor of loss-making Novembers. Nonetheless, as observed in October, XRP has demonstrated its capacity to defy historical predictions with the cryptocurrency's market inherent volatility and the token's track record of surprising surges. It will be interesting to see if the bulls will be able to maintain the potentially tip the balance in favor of the profitable month of XRP. Guys, I would love to know what you guys think about this. Let me know in the comment section below whether or not you think this surge is going to be held, if we're going to be able to hold this coming as it goes. Final article we got coming in is from newsbtc.com. This article is written by Jake Simmons, titled XRP price could blast off in 18 days, and here is why. So let's get into it. So the first image shared by Crypto Insight UK overlays the 2017 Bitcoin price movement onto the current XRP price chart. The striking resemblance between the two has caught the attention of many in the community. The consolidation phase of 2017 BTC Fractal, which began around October-November 2020, is being compared to XRP's current position. So this is the XRP versus the Bitcoin, Fractal. Versus 2017 Bitcoin Fractal. I see they're overlaid here in the background where we are here, question mark, boom, 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 boom. Very, very interesting. Elaborating on this, Crypto Insight UK shared a second image saying the consolidation on the left states October, November 2020. If we look at XRP, was at this time, it was right here. The image indicates that following this consolidation phase in 2017, Bitcoin experienced a massive 241% expansion at the end of 2020. However, it's essential to note that while Bitcoin was experiencing its bull run in 2017, XRP faced a significant setback. As Crypto Insight UK pointed out, we then crashed heavily because of Black Swan event. SEC lawsuit was dropped on Ripple, whilst most other cryptos started their bull markets, breaking their previous all-time highs. As News Bitcoin reported, the SEC lawsuit against Ripple had a profound impact on XRP price, causing it to plummet. This event has left many wondering if cryptocurrency, after consolidation, after 3 years victories over the SEC in recent months, is now poised for a significant breakout. Will history repeat? And that's a big question here. The million-dollar question on everyone's mind: will XRP follow the trajectory of the 2017 Bitcoin Fractal? If it does, we could be looking at substantial price surge in the coming weeks. However, as with all things in the crypto world, nothing is guaranteed, guys. This is absolutely important. Make sure you're making well-informed decisions when you're investing. It's important to follow predictions and following different patterns that we see, but always remember there is uncertainty in regards to anything that has to do with crypto in the future in terms of price. And guys, I want to make sure you guys know I'm not offering any financial advice. I'm just trying to get all this important news and information from what I'm seeing in the XRP world out to you guys. I'm not trying to encourage you to buy, sell, hold, or anything like that. I'm just trying to spread information in a digestible manner. Regardless, though, I might be talking about my personal opinions, and that is just what it is, my own personal opinion and nothing more than that. So yes, with that, guys, I'm gonna end this video right off here. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you guys think about today's videos. I hope you enjoyed and got some important information out of it. But until the next video, I'm your host, Amr. Have a good day and good luck trading your XRP. Take care, y'all.